Calligraphy is making a comeback, and this time the internet is helping it thrive. Instagram has become a treasure trove for calligraphers. We've all seen those reels of satisfying pen strokes, and these get millions of views every day. But this is not just a creative pastime, it can actually be a thriving business.
I was working full time for a French wines and spirits company. And I was really enjoying my time in the luxury world, doing marketing and brand management. And I think it was only at that point in my corporate journey that I actually stumbled upon and discovered calligraphy in a commercial sense, because we used to have a calligrapher who would come to our office and write on all the gift tags and the letters we'd send out as a luxury brand. And I think that was the point when I was a bit blown away, because I was like, oh my God, wow, there are people doing this professionally. Then was like, I just want to make an Instagram account for fun. So I made an Instagram account in 2017. And I started just doing things for friends and family, for not in any sense of thinking of it as a business or making money. I was just enjoying it. And I just remember that one thing started leading to another, wherein a friend said, listen, can I commission you to do something for me? In 2018, I went to Italy for a 3-week retreat with a calligrapher. She's an Italian master penman, Barbara Calzolari, who's now my mentor and my teacher also. So I studied a very traditional style of calligraphy called copper plate calligraphy with her. And I think that was when I started taking it very, very seriously. And I realized the seriousness of this art form. And I think that's how it started. I did it on the side for about a year. So I was doing it as a part-time thing for 1 year. And it was in 2018 end that I quit my job to go full-time with the Bombay Lettering Company.
Everyone loves a sprinkle of customization. From weddings to corporates, custom-made calligraphy is the talk of the town. And now, calligraphers are rising up to meet the demand.
They're finding it more personal because obviously now in India, people believe in managing relationship with their employees. So every good company, they want to give something personal to their employees. And that is the way we can do it. They ask us to write handwritten notes to their employees, do envelope labeling, and that is the way to connect with employees better, I feel. So yes, people, corporates basically, when it comes to top level management, even in mid-level management, the demand is very much. But I have done for a couple of wedding planners, even in weddings, on-site calligraphy is very, very much up now. For wedding favors, people are getting calligraphers on field to do their work. So yes, I've done a couple of weddings, couple of on-sites for corporates also.
But if you think calligraphy is exclusively only for those Western scripts, think again. Every part of India has unique ink to offer. Nowadays, traditional calligraphers are actually in demand.
Nowadays, before it was happening that calligraphy means only English, Roman, or somewhere Arabic calligraphy. But as I go on doing calligraphy more, so I found much more interest in the Indian languages. So I many people, if you meet, people will like to learn more about copper plate, Gothic and all those are Roman calligraphy techniques. But I found interest in Odia, in Malayalam. And then I realized that our scripts are very beautiful, and can we use them as a design in commercial things?
The internet can be a crazy, wonderful thing sometimes. It's reviving ancient scriptures like Devanagari and making it the new cool. But how can you take calligraphy from a side hustle to your main source of income? Here are some expert tips for you.
If you remember that in late 2020, that is social media, especially Instagram, was playing a vital role in the publicity and marketing of the businesses. And that was also being used as a mode of communication to each other. So the art of calligraphy also started to blossom. And during lockdown, many people got familiar with this art. I think that doors are open for teaching also. So that's why the teaching is one of the options when you start calligraphy. So and you publicize your you make the publicity and you market your products or your services through the Instagram, because Instagram and Facebook are the two things which are very popular for these purposes. And after that, I have seen some people sitting in the mall in a gift showroom, etc., and during the festival season, and they are writing messages. So this is one of the options. You can write some motivational quotes, some poems that can be placed in your offices, your home decor, etc. Right. So there are a lot of things you can use this calligraphy here.
You can simply get started with calligraphy and then you can enter the wedding market. And obviously wedding market, especially in India, is like one huge line of business. So there's calligraphy. It helps you enter the wedding market with if you're designing a wedding cards, and that's like, one big field of business. If you are into calligraphy, then you definitely have to know a lot about stationery, because that's just your tools, right? You can get into retailing stationery. That's there. Then merchandise. There are so many incredible people, calligraphers, non-calligraphers. I personally love Alicia Souza's product line. Everybody loves that because that's just so incredibly cute. So there's this whole line of products. So I guess it sort of opens a lot of avenues of monetizing it. Now it is totally up to you, your knowledge, your sanity, that what avenue you enter and how you are doing it.